Welcome, everyone.
Today, we're diving into the world of intermittent fasting, a lifestyle approach gaining popularity for its numerous health benefits. I'm excited to share insights on how intermittent fasting can transform not only your body, but also your overall well-being.
Now, what is intermittent fasting?
Intermittent fasting isn't just a diet, it's a pattern of eating. It involves alternating periods of eating and fasting, allowing your body to tap into stored energy reserves. This natural process has been practiced for centuries and aligns with our body's biological clock.
Now, let's explore the incredible benefits. From weight loss and improved metabolic health to enhanced mental clarity, intermittent fasting offers a range of advantages.
Studies show that it can reduce inflammation, support heart health, and even contribute to longevity.
How do you start?
The good news is there's no one-size-fits-all approach. You can choose from various methods such as 16-8 method, 1-5-2 method, eat-stop-eat method.
Find what aligns with your lifestyle.
Begin by gradually extending your fasting window and experiment to see what works best for you. Now, let's discuss common pitfalls and how to avoid them. One mistake is not staying hydrated during fasting periods.
Remember to drink plenty of water.
Also, avoid overeating during eating window. Focus on nutrient-dense whole food.
Finding the right balance is key.
In conclusion, intermittent fasting is a flexible and sustainable approach that can positively impact your health.
Whether you're a beginner or experienced, there's always room to explore and find what suits you best. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Your feedback is essential, so let me know your thoughts and any topics you'd like us to cover in future videos.